Hello, my name is Pablo Aguirre, Guia Practica. There are many languages and the word about to do English in the basic tool study and the most used language, but there are two types in English, American and British. The one I'm preferring and which study in America, which is the academy in the country and the common speak every day. With American English, you are going to have to say what is necessary in the clear and the present conversation on the topic in the canon you and the understand. Is a preference as for sport there are many, but and the word prefer in enjoy play soccer with my friends since the style in the well canon. Physical activity in the world and the learned in for in your age, school and everybody commons sport and the record and the a lot of physical and intellectual skills. Prefer in my social life in the have my friends and family. Book actuality in the worthy rather spent with my family at home and go to the world in the park to show the wit and then and better take the going for walking with my family to relax in the some time. Finally, in the study I'm interested with and the most complete. Circulate and I also have the carrots in her baby. Proud and the voluntary five-hearted of the right in the contain her to economy and the future and develop to institutes and the rent persons build and the drain so Tana my family feels happy and the proud and the my add having full be through head with 10 and they have all 4 personal improvement in firefighter. They are different types of emerged both they cold mind what in adversity and the tank and the action, but preferring the one to like and the most with and fires and traffic accident out with and the help save a life and people prosperity property. Thank you.